Pristine and elegant two-story home in Finley Woods. This 2015 custom-built home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms plus an office or 5th bedroom, screened-in back porch, workshop and garage, and more. No detail was spared when building this home. Upgrades include decorative lighting in the kitchen and dining, crown molding on the first floor, built-in mud bench in the foyer, gas fireplace and gorgeous wood floors in the great room. The panoramic kitchen boasts counter-height quartz island with built-in shelving, stainless steel farm sink, gas range and brand new full-depth French door refrigerator. The primary bath has dual sinks, granite counters, custom tile work and an extra-large shower with 2 shower heads. Low utility bills. The average electric bill, which includes 2.1 kW solar panels and Clay Electric, is approximately $130 per month. The oversized 2-car garage includes a workshop area with plumbed wall and floor drain with plenty of space for storage plus a generator hookup. The association dues include front yard maintenance. Located toward the end of the street surrounded by nature. Amazing location, 5.7 miles to Shands/UF, 9 minutes.